Now, for the second part of your question about do we just get rid of parties? Look, we have an anti-party sentiment that goes all the way back to our first president. You know, Americans have
Hmm.
always been wary of what they perceive of as like factions jockeying for power. But the fact is, and this is basically a consensus in political science and people who study democracy and regimes, you need a party to get democracy. You have social movements and activist groups that do a lot of interest representation. You also have
Hmm.
people with money and power who will always try to influence politics. Parties are the only institution that really exists to translate all of the kind of disparate public power housed in the people and bring that into governing agendas and into institutions of leadership and power. And the second thing is that we already have a very burdened system on our voters. Like Americans have way more frequent elections. We ask a lot of our voters. We ask them to be super informed, to vote all the time, to have to navigate this complicated registration system. Um,
Hmm.
and if you just eliminated parties, you get rid of one of the main heuristics that voters use to navigate elections, and you put the burden entirely on them to get to know specific candidates in every specific election.